Hello everyone, so welcome to this video. Today in this video I will be showing my first Obsidian plugin which I have built. It's called AI Companion. It's an AI assistant for your Obsidian notes where you can ask anything about your notes. So let's go to the Obsidian. So here I am opening Obsidian. I have created a vault which is called test vault. Here you can see, and if I click on the settings button, here you will see I have a called community plugin, right? So what you have to do is that click on this gear icon, and here you have to put your OpenAI API key and you can select any of the model from there. So I am selecting GPT-4o mini, and max token equals to 1024 and temperature value equals to 0.1. And here I have created two nodes right there, which is called short story and story summary. So if I open this short story node, and the command is basically very much easy. So you have to click this \AI, and here you can see the pop-up window have been come. So let me familiar with you what are this mean actually. So here you can add page to the context. So for example, whenever you are asking any LLMs, you are providing external context to the LLM and then you can chat with the LLM. So I have added the same thing. Here you can also add your like context right there based on your available notes are there. So for example, right now we don't have any context, and you can also clear the context as well. So here you can see there is no page selected. Now write write a short story, and if I click ask, it's thinking, and after some time it will actually generate the story for you. So let's wait for this. Here you can see I get the story. Write a story. Once in a small village nestled between rolling hills, there lived an old clockmaker named Elias. His shop was filled with clocks. So here you can see we have the full story right there, and here two button, which is copy response. You can response the full content of this response, and you can insert to the note. So whatever note you have been you are actually opened, if you click this insert to note, it will automatically add on your note. Here you can see this is full short story. Now let's go to the story summary, right? So if I again hit the command AI, and then I want to add some context, right? So let's add the short story as a context. Here you can see the short story has been context. You can also clear the context from there and clear selected pages one by one from there, and you can also clear the full context. So for example, I want to ask that summarize the story, right? So please summarize the story. Let's ask the AI to provide you the summary. So it's instance. Then here you can see in a small village, an old clockmaker named Elias owned a peculiar silent clock that measured moments instead of minutes. Nice story. So you can copy the response, you can paste there, and you can also insert into note. So it will be automatically inserting your note. So for example, again I ask that please write another short story like that. So it's like a little chat window where you can like ask your question and it will provide you the response. So let's wait. It is thinking, so it will provide you the another story like that. Let's see. Yeah, here you go. We have another short story which is like that. So I'm copying the response, and if I cross this, and I can also add my story here, the whispering willow. So yeah, and I have actually, so let me also show you the GitHub repo for this. So here is the GitHub repo, and this is the Obsidian AI assistant, which is named Obsidian AI assistant. And here you can actually pull it and basically clone the repo, and you can actually try it yourself. And I actually submitted the pull request into the Obsidian community, so they are actually reviewing my plugins. So if everything is good, hopefully you can actually use the plugin from the community. You don't have to clone it yourself. So yeah, that's it. Thank you, and do let me know how it is and what's your experience. Thank you. Bye.